Right. Probability of empty set is the zero. Probability of the empty set is the no element, zero element in six. Therefore, zero also getting. Is it clear, everyone? Therefore, probability must be greater than zero or equal to zero. So first point is over. So probability is equal to zero or greater than zero. One point is completed. How it is equal to 1, sir, or less than? This is 0.1 is a less than 1. It is also clear. 0.1 is a less than 1. It is also clear. Equal to 1, sir. Now add all the probabilities. P of 1 plus P of 2 plus P of 3 plus P of 3 plus P of 4 plus P of 5 plus P of 5 plus P of 6 plus P of 6. Okay, na? P of 6. Okay, na? So all probabilities add up 1 by 6. First, second one, 1 by 6. Third one, 1 by 6. Fourth one, 1 by 6. Fifth one, 1 by 6. Sixth one, 1 by 6. Total is the 6 by 6. Therefore, sum of the probabilities also equal to 1. Now see, probability is equal to 0, above 0, less than 1, and equal to 1 also. Sum of the all the probability is equal to 1. Second point also clear. Second point also clear. Is it clear now, everyone? Second point also clear. What is the third point? Is probability of two numbers, one number, comma, two event, probability of one number, comma, two number. So one number probability is the probability of one number plus probability of two number. Okay, na? Probability of two number. Therefore, this is a representation of the probability of the two number, two events, not numbers, two events. So one is the one event, two is the one event. Okay, na? Right. Fourth one, I will explain the theorem. And fifth one, see. Everyone observe the fifth point is, what is the fifth point? I am going to write. So sample space is the S is equal to 1 to 6. A is equal to odd numbers 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 5. Probability of A have the three element, total is the 6. Next, A dash. A dash is, hello, where, okay, okay. Right, everyone see. So probability of everyone see, probability must be lies between 0 to 1 only, above equal to 0 and above 0 and less than 1 and equal to 1. How it is, everyone observe. Once again, I will explain what is the point I am going to explain. Once again, everyone listen. Right. Once again, you should be listen. I am going to explain. Everyone listen. Once again, I am going to explain. Right. See, I am going to explain once again. First point. Take the die. Example is die we can take. What is the events in the die is? Die have the 6 phases. Okay, na? 6 phases. Therefore, for either first number or second number or third number, fourth, fifth, sixth. Number of total outcomes, tell me, Amma. Total outcomes is equal to number of elements in the sample space. How many elements in the sample space is the 6? That is called total outcomes. Is it clear? Right. Next, probability of probability of right. Everyone same. Probability of one number. Probability of one number is equal to total probability definition. What is the probability of event definition? Favorable by total. Favorable by total outcomes. Okay, na? Total outcomes is the 6. How favorable? One numbers, how many is there in sample space? Only one number is there. Only one number is there. Okay, na? That's the probability of one. Okay, na? Right. Everyone go through the probability of right. Everyone see probability of. I will explain. Okay, explain first. Listen. Probability of one. Probability of two. Total is the 6. How many two numbers is there? Only one number is there. Two is the only one number in the sample space. Right. Probability of 3 cm. So total is the 6. How many three numbers are there in sample space? Only one number. 3 is the only one. So therefore 1 by 6. Okay, na? Right. Here understand the point. Everyone see 1 by 6 means divide 0.1 mean probability above 0. Okay, na? First probability is above 0. First point is clear, everyone. Above 0. Okay, na? Probability above 0, below 1. 0.1 is the below 1. This point is understand, everyone. Probability is the 0.1 means above 0, below 1. One point is clear. Next, everyone, empty set is the subset of every set. So empty set is a subset of sample space also. Empty set, no elements. Probability of empty set, no element, 0 element by total is the 6. Therefore 0 is the probability, equal to 0 also completed. Okay, na? Next, equal to 1. Add all the probability sum. Probability of 1 and add probability of 2 and add probability of 3. Okay, na? Add probability of 4 and add probability of 5 and add probability of 6 and add probability of 6. Probability of 1 is 1 by 6. Right, clear? Two number, how many numbers is there? Two is the only one number. It is also 1 by 6. Three number in this sample space, only one number. Therefore, one number by 6. Four also one number by 6. 5 also in the sample space, one number by 6. 6 also in the sample space, only one number by 6. Okay, na? Right. Total Adam 6 by 6, its value is 1. 6 by 6, its value is 1. Is it clear, everyone? So therefore, probability is also equal to 1. Okay, na? 2 points is completed. Probability equal to 0, above 0, or less than 1 and equal to 1. And sum of the probabilities, add all probabilities, adding its value is 1. Second point also clear. Okay, na? Third point, to separate events, probability of 1 comma 2 mean that is the 1 is the 1 is the one number in the sample space, 2 is the one number in the sample space. Therefore separate probability, probability of 1 and probability of 2. See, Probability of 1 is the 1 by 6. Probability of 2 by is the 1 by 6. Its value is the 2 by 3. Sorry, 2 by 6. Its answer is 1 by 3. Okay, na? Here come this side. Probability of 1, 2 numbers. How many is? 1 is the 1 number, 2 is the 1 number, total is the 2 number. 2 number by total is the 6. Its value also 1 by 3. Okay, na? Both are equal. Both are equal. That is the third point also completed. Okay, na? Right. I go through the fourth is the theorem. I will explain. Wait. And the fifth point I will explain. After then I go through the fourth theorem. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see. Fifth point is, everyone observe, fifth point is, everyone observe, fifth point I am going to explain. Next fourth I will do the theorem. So third point also understand. Once again I am going to tell third point also. Once again, wait everyone. Once again I am telling third point. So anybody have the doubt? Once again I am telling third point. Anyone have the doubt? Once again I am telling the third point. See, the third point is everyone. Right, see, the third point is probability of one number and two number means probability of one is in the sample space, two is in the sample space. That we can be right. Now here, probability of one number, two number mean how many numbers is there in the left hand side. One is also one number, two also two numbers, by total is the six. Okay, na? Therefore 1 by 3 is the answer. Here come probability of one number. One number is the only 1 by 6. Probability of two number is the only one in sample space. Total is the P of 1 plus P of 2 is equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6. Total is the 2 by 6. Therefore 1 by 3 is the answer. Here two numbers probability, two numbers by 6. Here one number probability 1 by 6. Here one number probability 1 by 6. Okay, na? Two numbers probability is the 2 by 6. One number probability is the 1 by 6. Two number probability also 1 by 6. Only one number probability. Okay, na? Right. Now I go through the, everyone observe. A sample space is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, na? A set is odd numbers 1, 3, 5. A dash mean S minus A cancel. Now we get 2, 4, 6. Okay, na? 2, 4, 6. Probability of A. A, how many elements we have? 3 elements by total is the 6. Probability of A dash, observe. Probability A dash of how many numbers? 3 numbers by total is the 6. P of A plus P of A dash is equal to 3 by 6 plus 3 by 6. 6 by 6 value is 1. That is the fifth point also completed. Okay, na? Anyone you have the doubt, once again you can call can call me. I will explain once again after seeing the video. Once again we can, any doubt means you can call me, I will explain. Okay, na? Right. I go through the theorem, point number 4, that is the important theorem. Point number 4, this is the important theorem. I will explain important theorem. Everyone carefully observe. Point number 4, I am going to explain. That is the theorem. Write down everyone. Theorem 1. prove that probability of A union B is equal to union, not two elements, union. Probability of A comma B means two elements, that is equal to P of A plus P of B. But it is not A comma B, it is a union. You should be remember that point. This is the union. Okay, na? Right. Everyone observe. P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Everyone see this theorem. How I am going to prove this theorem? First, I will take sample space is the biggest set, is the biggest set in the probability. This is the sample space. This is the A, this is the A, and this is the B. Very carefully observe. This is the A intersection B. This is the A intersection B. This is the A intersection B. Is it clear, everyone? Anyone have the doubt? I will draw the big figure. Everyone see. Put one example. Yes, I will explain with example also. Fourth one also. First, I will prove the theorem. I will explain in example also. Okay, na? Right. First theorem is this is the A set. This is the B set. This is the A set, and this is the B set. This is the A, and this is the B. This is the A intersection B. This place is the A intersection B. What about this place, Amma? What about this parties? Everyone observe. What about this party? B minus A. Correct? B minus A. This part is the B minus A. Okay, na? Only this part. Totally the B. This is the A intersection B. This is the B minus A. Okay, na? Right. See, everyone. First, I will do the theorem proof. After then, I will explain once again with example also. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see. First, what I am going to write, A union B. First, I will write A union B. Very carefully observe, everyone. A union B is A means this total part. A means this total part. A, okay, na? This total part. Union B minus A. Union B minus A. Is it correct? A union B minus A is the A union B. A and B minus A. Okay, na? Now take the probability. Probability of A union B is equal to probability of A union B minus A. Okay, na? Right. This should be separate. This should be separate. P of A union B, P of A union B is equal to A union B is equal to separate P of A part plus P of B minus A part. Let it be equation number 1. Okay, now once again everyone observe. So once again this is the A part and this is the remaining B minus A part. That's why I will separate. But here not possible to separate. A and B are combined. A and B are combined. Here not possible. But here is A part is separate. B minus A is the separate. Two separate part. That's why I will separate. Okay, na? Next one you can see. B is equal to, carefully observe, B is equal to A intersection B, A intersection B union B minus A. Correct, everyone? See. So separate parts, separate part. A intersection B is the separate, B minus A is the separate. That's why apply the probability. P of B is equal to P of A intersection B union will come as a plus, separate part P of B minus A. Separate parts means union will become as a plus. First part plus second part. First part plus second part. Right. First part and the second part. Okay, na? Right. This is right down. P of B minus P of A intersection B is equal to P of B minus A. Let it be equation number 2. Let it be equation number 2. From 1 and 2, 2 value P of B minus A substitute in A. So P of B minus A value substitute in equation 1. In equation 1. Now substitute in place of here. Substitute P of A union B is equal to P of A. P of A. Everyone see P of A. P of A. P of A. P of B minus A place write down. B minus A place is P of B minus P of A intersection B. So that is the theorem. Okay, na? This is important theorem for board examination. Important theorem for board examination also. Okay, na? Right. Everyone note down the one note point downside. Note down the note point. What is the note point is everyone observe. What is the note point I am going to explain. If A intersection B is equal to empty set, then probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of empty set. Empty set probability is 0. Then the formula A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B. A intersection B is a 0. Okay, na? Therefore, P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B. Okay, na? So no common mean. No common means separate this event and this event. Rule number 3, separate means we can write separate probabilities. Okay, na? Right. Rule number 3 we are going to apply for that one. Clear, everyone? So now theorem is the important for examination also. I will explain with example also. Somebody is asking with the example, sir. So I will explain with example also. We can see. I will explain with example also. Right. Everyone,